Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use blur effect in Capcut. So first of all, we need to make sure that the Capcut app is updated to the last version so you can get all of your features. Okay, next step, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and I'm gonna go ahead to the Capcut app. And if you want to add the new project, you can add it from your photo library, whether it was a video or picture. In my case, I'm gonna select one of my projects right here and I'm gonna select this one, for example. Okay, so now how do I add the blur effect in Capcut? So there's many ways that you can do that, but the most simplest thing that you can do, you're gonna just click next to the overlay. There's an effect. Okay, you will see three options: video effects, body effects, photo effects. We're gonna click video effects, and here we're gonna search for a zoom lens, image noise, and you'll see already they have already added a tag blur. Okay, so we're gonna search for blur, and here you will see multiple options that you can add blur for. If you want it to be oblique blur or hazy, or if you want
عندي
it to
تعليق
be
على مسلسل سبيشال اوبس لايونس
just like this, just like this video. And if you want it to be like fully blur, you can just go back and search again and just choose the normal blur,
عندي تعليق على مسلسل
and you will see right here the video has been set up to like to be in the blur effect. And if you wanted to extend it to be at least at the end of the video, or if you want to add a title in the beginning by just go ahead, go back and click text and just adding a title in the beginning, you can also do that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.